If you're looking for some good game day eats for your Super Bowl party, look no further.
We've got you covered along with some of our friends.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're gonna get this fire started. We're gonna take our wood, we're using hickory. We're gonna put that in the brand new Blackstone Open Flame Grill. Because Joey, we like our wood chunky. Do you like your wood chunky, Joey?
We gotta have chunky wood.
They don't just make griddles, folks. They don't just make pizza ovens, folks. They don't just make smokers, folks. They don't just make open flame grill, folks. They make lump charcoal now.
You having trouble with that bag there, Greg?
Yeah, I could have thought of better ways to do that.
You know they open it from the top, right?
Yeah. We're gonna take a torch because we like to torch things.
Don't point that at me. Although it is warm.
Let's get that thing lit. All right, we'll get that in there. Do we think she's ready?
Yeah, I've singed the hairs on my beard, and now we're ready.
Perfect.
All right, so we've got our fire going. We're gonna get these coals down on the bed of the grill. We've got our sausages on the skewers, and we're gonna get these cooked up. We're gonna lower this down. All right, now it's time to flip these sausages over, and we're gonna start prepping all the rest of the ingredients on it. So, Greg, you wanna do the rest of this?
Oh, I'd love to.
Let's do it.
All right, first step in building a pizza is the pizza sauce. We're gonna take our pizza sauce, and we're gonna spread it on our sausages. We like a saucy pizza. Next step is we take our mozzarella. Also, by the way, that's frozen. So we now have frozen cheese, and we take it and we put it on the sausages. Okay, before we add any of our other toppings, we want to melt the cheese. So we're gonna take this little dome, let's get that on top and let's let it melt. So now that the cheese has had some time to get all melty, let's uncover it and start adding our meat. All right, we're gonna take our pepperoni.
It's pepperoni adjacent.
It's definitely adjacent. That's not nearly meaty enough. So we need to add some prosciutto.
That was nice.
That's good, right?
Yeah.
Joey, did I sound Italian?
Don't do it.
On top, just like that. We're gonna take some red onion, spread it around, just like that. It's not pizza without shredded parm.
It can't hurt.
Can't hurt. Get that parm on top here. One final cover to make sure that cheese is nice and melty, and then we'll finish it up. While that cheese is melting, let's try to melt our hands because it's beyond cold right now.
This feels right.
Way better, way better.
Wow, it's hot.
Yeah. Cheese should be melted, so now it's time to finish it off. So we're gonna take our Calabrian chili oil crunch and we'll spread it around on top of the sausages. This is frozen.
We're gonna use frozen honey.
It's not hot honey, it's cold honey.
Hey, sometimes you gotta improvise. That is almost frozen honey, but you know what? Give it a few minutes, it's gonna be great.
That's gonna be awesome. It's a good thing my forearms are really strong.
Says more about you than anything else.
All right, look at these, huh?
Oh, that looks so good.
This is pretty awesome. So I think we just pull the skewers out.
Yeah, let's slide these out.
Dude, look at that.
Oh, yeah, that'll do it.
That's a Super Bowl bite.
We've finished these pizza sausages.
Is that what they're called? Pizza sausages?
Why not? We're gonna call them that.
They're called pizza sausages. All right, so
right.
we just got to eat these.
Hey,
so
cheers.
Hey, cheers.
That's really good. Meat on meat on meat. What's not to like?
What is not to like?
We've got one game day appetizer down.
Let's kick it over to our friends. See what they're doing.
All right, Griddle Nation, for this Super Bowl, you're gonna wanna add these buffalo buns to your roster. It's an absolute touchdown. It's super delicious, and we're making it right here in the Blackstone Air Fryer. Let's go make them. Go grab yourself some crispy chicken cutlets. You get them on a cutting board. We're gonna slice and dice them up. No big pieces for this, because if we do, these rolls are not gonna roll properly. Into the bowl, and then grab a great buffalo sauce. I'm using Kinder's today. Shake and toss them, put them to the side. Next, roll out your dough, and we're gonna cut it into strips. This leads to not messing it up afterward, after it's rolled. We're going to some racing stripes right down the middle of those. And now we're starting to assemble with that buffalo chicken. No one ever hated a lot of sauce. Buffalo roll is not complete without some cheese, so we're getting that in there too. And we're gonna roll them up. Pull that dough real tight so you get a good roll. And we're gonna stack them all onto our plate, and we're gonna get right into that Blackstone Air Fryer. Once they're done, we're gonna bathe it in some butter. We're gonna drizzle some more buffalo sauce right on top. And we're laying down some homemade ranch. Make sure you make enough of these because I promise you, any Super Bowl party you have, these are gonna be gone in an instant.
Let's make a pizza for the Super Bowl pizza party. Your friends are gonna love it. Come with me. All right, we're gonna use some semolina flour. Throw that down on the board. And we're just gonna kind of push it out a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. Hey! It's a pizza! I don't know. We're making a pigskin. Let's add some pig. Now let's make our laces. Laces out, Dan. They'll get it. So good.
Smokin' Griddle Boys here. Today we're going to be doing a smoked barbecue queso dip on the Blackstone Pellet Smoker.
A few moments later.
Attaboy.
So you've got your next game day appetizer to try. So make sure you like, subscribe.
All the things.
Until next time,
Let's go.
let's go.